Hey guys, shalom shalom. Welcome to this amazing, wonderful land of promise. We are right now guys at this amazing, beautiful Jerusalem market here in Shuk Yehuda. Enjoy guys, and come and visit this place. Amazing ancient Jerusalem market here in Yehuda. Wow, Jaffa Street. It's amazing guys, amazing. Enjoy the beauty of the land of promise, especially here in the amazing city of Jerusalem guys. Enjoy guys, enjoy, and don't forget also to like, share and follow our page Business Israel from your homes so that more people can see this amazing and wonderful promised land of Israel. Wow, it's amazing city, the beautiful land of Israel guys. Enjoy guys, enjoy, and love you all, and thank you very much. See you. God bless guys. Thank you.